some HTML interview questions. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to create web pages and web applications. What does HTML stand for? Hypertext Markup Language. What are HTML tags? HTML tags are the building blocks of HTML, used to define elements within an HTML document. Tags are enclosed in angle brackets. What is an HTML element? An HTML element consists of a start tag, content, and an end tag. Example given below. What is the purpose of the doctype HTML declaration? It declares the document type and version of HTML to the browser. What are HTML attributes? Attributes provide additional information about HTML elements, usually in the form of name-value pairs like name is equal to value. What is the difference between an element and a tag in HTML? A tag is a part of HTML code that defines an element. An element is a combination of a start tag, content, and an end tag. Below image shows the difference. What are the different types of lists in HTML? Ordered list, unordered list, and definition list. How do you create a hyperlink in HTML? Using the tag. See the example below. How do you insert an image in HTML? Using the img tag. See the example below. What is the purpose of the alt attribute in an img tag? It provides alternative text for an image if the image cannot be displayed. What is the difference between block level and inline elements? Block level elements take up the full width available and start on a new line. Inline elements only take up as much width as necessary and do not start on a new line. Below image shows some example tags. How do you create a table in HTML? Using table, tr, td, and th tags. See the image for creating table structure. What are semantic HTML elements? Semantic HTML elements clearly describe their meaning in a human and machine-readable way, like article, section, nav, header, and footer tags. What is the head element, and what can it contain? The head element contains meta-information about the HTML document, such as the title, meta tags, link tags, and script tags. What is the body element in HTML? The body element contains the content of an HTML document, such as text, images, links, tables, and forms. How do you create a comment in HTML? See the below answer for comment. What is the difference between HTML and XHTML? HTML is more forgiving with syntax errors, while XHTML is stricter and needs to be properly nested and closed. What is the purpose of the title tag in HTML? The title tag defines the title of the HTML document, which is displayed in the browser's title bar or tab. How do you create a line break in HTML? Using the BR tag.